and it blew up the pump. Should have made these like 18. Alright, so this would be 3/4. That doesn't interfere with that at all. That'll be like that. So now that we have the lines in, I could have got them a little shorter, but they should work. We're going to tighten this back up and get this in a position that we want it, and then we're going to tighten down those fittings there, and then we'll change the hydraulic filter, put some fluid in it, start it up, and see how she works. I gotta have it.
Six tooth or 12 tooth?
The wrench?
Yeah.
Fucking no tooth.
What?
What do you mean? So now sitting on the tractor, you have your throttle, and now you have your loader controls up and down, curl and curl back to you. It's gonna be a lot smoother for us now, having everything right there instead of having it the other way. But now we are gonna install this hydraulic filter, which is right here, and then we're gonna fill it up with some oil and then jumper and see how it works. See if we have to switch around any of these. There's the old filter. we ended up hooking the inlet and the outlet wrong, and it blew up the pump. Blew up the cylinder up front here. We had to get that rebuilt. So let's go ahead and transfer over all these parts here over onto this pump, and let's see how that goes.